Getting the unable to authorize, please try again error on your TikTok app? Don't stress. This error is often caused by login issues, account restrictions, or app bugs. Let's go through some easy steps to fix it on your Android phone. Before we start, make sure to check your internet connection. To double check, swipe down from the top of your phone and see if you're connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also toggle on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network. Now see if that fixed the problem. If not, let's move to the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok cache and data. If the problem is with a bug in your app, clearing its cache and data should help. Go to your app gallery or home screen. Tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option Storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on Clear Cache and then tap Clear Data. Tap on Delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your problem should be fixed. Now clearing the app data can sometimes remove app permissions, so you should go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. In here, make sure to give your TikTok app all the permissions. Permissions are needed for your app to function properly. After you're done with it, check your issue. Solution 2. Reinstall the app. If the problem is with the app, you might need to reinstall it to properly resolve the problem. So in your app gallery or home screen, press and hold on to the TikTok app, then tap Uninstall and confirm the action. After this, go to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Simply reinstall the TikTok app from there. See if that fixed the problem or not. If not, then try the last solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. A clear-cut reset in your network can solve many issues. Open your phone settings. Find options like additional settings or general management. Once you have found it, tap on it. Scroll down and tap Reset. Now scroll down again. If you use mobile data for TikTok, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. If you use Wi-Fi, tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Tap Reset Settings. This will reset your network and hopefully fix the problem. So guys, that's how you fix the unable to authorize, please try again error on TikTok. I really hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful solutions like this one. Your support means a lot and I appreciate you watching.